Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of tactical offerings from SOG available at KnifeCenter.com. SOG has been a big player in the tactical market now for decades for creating very rugged and well sought after designs at a great price. Here are just a few of the SOG pieces that are up for grabs at KnifeCenter.com. You can't talk about SOG without mentioning their Bowie Fixed blade knives. Here we have the SOG S1T 2.0 Bowie Fixed blade. This modern replica is based on the original studies and observation group knife, which was secretly developed and used in the Vietnam War. It has all the modern features and materials that make it a great work knife. The Vietnam Bowie was created during the war and was the original SOG knife with a leather washer handle. The AUS 8 stainless steel blade is satin finished and coated with SOG's proprietary hard case deep black coating. SOG also has a unique cryogenic heat treatment to increase the toughness and wear resistance of the blade. Next up, we have the SOG TF3 Trident Assisted Opening Folding Knife. One of the first and best performing assisted openers on the market, SOG has packed a ton of features into this pocket knife to make it ideal for everyday carry. It has a very snappy flipping action and locks securely in place with the piston mechanism. This knife also gives a great feel in the hand with a glass reinforced nylon that allows for a solid grip and allowing for full control. In the handle, there's also what SOG calls the groove, which is designed to cut paracord, fishing line, and seatbelts in an emergency. Let's not forget about the SOG's Tactical Tomahawks. The F01PN is based on the Vietnam Tomahawk. As you can see here, we've put this Tomahawk through a beating and it's still ready for more abuse. This axe illustrates the evolution from unusual weapons to versatile tools to be used in excavation, obstacle removal, and utility purposes. It comes in a 420 stainless steel head, shown here in a satin finish, and is attached to a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle with heavy-duty bolts and a steel ferrule for stable handling. On the side of the head, there's a checkered pattern to ensure safety and precision when hammering. This is just a few of the options we have from SOG at KnifeCenter.com. We will have a link below with all of the descriptions of what we've shown today, as well as a link to the rest of the inventory we have from SOG. If you have any questions about anything we've shown today or any other SOG products we might be offering, please leave us a comment. If you'd like to see more knives and tactical gear, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog for cutlery, KnifeCenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals that might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.